Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. And today we're going to take a look at another vocabulary word. What? Yeah, it's the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. And we're going to build your vocabulary with fun words that I like. This word is hoodwink. Hoodwink, it's just fun to say. Hoodwink is a verb. Let's see. I know what a hood is. You put a hood over your head to keep the rain out, to cover it up, stay warm. And wink is to give somebody a hint. But hoodwink, covering a hint? No, hoodwink means to deceive or trick someone. Oh, that's a new word? No, it's been around since the 1500s. What? Yeah, I know. Crazy, right? Hoodwink. Why do we say hoodwink when we really mean deceive or cheat or trick someone? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. My friend was hoodwinked by her attorney who always wore a hood and winked. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with the word hoodwink? Leave it in the comments, okay? Peace, friends.